Good day everyone. Welcome to another video in the Azure Data Factory series. In this episode, we will dive into removing a server from the self-hosted integration runtime that has multiple nodes and then add it back. If you find this content helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth guides on Azure Data Factory. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Let's head to the Azure Data Factory Studio, and then let's click on Manage and let's go to the integration runtimes. So SHIR on-premise, if you see here, we have two nodes here, SHIR1 and SHIR2. What I'm going to do for this demo is I'm going to remove this SHIR2 from the on-premise self-hosted integration runtime, and then I will add it back. So let's consider you have some maintenance that needs to be performed on this particular server. Then one way what we can do is we can remove that server once all the maintenance or work is completed. Then what you can do is you can add it back. You can use a different server temporarily, and you can add this server back, or in case if there is a problem with this SHIR2, and if you're not able to repair it right away, then what you can do is you can remove that server and then add a new server. So this way, no need to configure anything new. You can remove the existing server from the self-hosted integration runtime, and then you can add some other server. And once this SHIR2 comes online, then what you can do is you can remove the other server and add this server back. So that's the possibility here. Yeah. So now we have this SHIR2 that needs to be removed. So what I'm going to do, let's head straight to the SHIR2 server and then open the integration runtime configuration manager, and let's stop the service first. Yeah. Let's wait for the service to be stopped. The service is stopped now. So now what we'll do is we'll go to the Azure Data Factory Studio, and then let's remove this by clicking on this delete here. Yeah, let's click on delete. Okay, so it's deleted now. Let's do a refresh. Let's wait for it to come back online. Okay, so now let's click on this integration runtime, and then if you see here, SHIR2 is no longer here. Okay, now let's head to our SHIR2 server. Yeah, so we have stopped it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to uninstall it from here. Yeah, let's uninstall it. Once the uninstallation is completed, then SHIR2 server will no longer have anything related to the integration runtime here. Yeah. So what we'll do is let's close this integration runtime configuration manager, and then let's do a retry. Let's give it another 2 minutes. So it is asking, do you want to delete all user data from Microsoft Integration Runtime? The data is including all these things. So in case if it is a production server, I usually don't do that if I'm going to reuse it. Yeah, but since it is a test server, I'm just going to go ahead and remove all those things. Yeah. Okay, so it is removed now. So now what we'll do is we will go to the integration runtime here in the Azure portal. Let's do a refresh and make sure everything looks all right. So if you can see here, I don't see any issue here. So what we'll do now, let's add the integration runtime server SHIR2 server back to the integration runtime. Yeah, so let's copy that link, and then what I'll do is I will download that exe file. Yeah, and let me pause the video, let me download the file, and then I will do the installation. Okay, so the file is downloaded now. So let's install it now. Let's start the installation. Let's click on next, accept the license agreement, then click on install here. Let's wait for the installation to complete. Installation is still going on. Okay, so now the installation is completed. Let's click on finish. In the meantime, let's copy this key here so that we can key that in the integration runtime configuration manager. So let's paste that key here and then let's click on register here. So if you see here, SHIR1 is showing as existing node online, and this server SHIR2 is the current new node. Yeah, we will leave this enable remote access from internet enabled. Let's click on next. We will leave this TCP port 8060 and also this option enable remote access without TLS or SSL certificate enabled, and then let's click on finish here. So it is connecting to the cloud service. Now it is initializing the integration runtime. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so if you see here, it is telling like the integration runtime self-hosted node has been registered successfully. Let's head back to our Azure Data Factory Studio, and then let's do a refresh here, and then let's see if we are able to see that node on the SHIR on-premise integration runtime. Let's click on nodes, and if you see here, it is pretty clear that we were able to add this SHIR2 to this self-hosted integration runtime. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.